A very good afternoon, student. Today we are discuss about commands in Python. In Python commands, this begin with hash symbol. Already you want to give the commands. What is the commands means? What's the program you are going to do that? That program related information here. First you are an add two numbers means that is a program heading you are giving in the commands box. So any commands you want to given in the Python mean that simple started with the hash. So the line that began with the hash are considered as the commands and ignored by the Python interpreter. So commands may be single line or multi-line. You have used the single line or multi-line. Single line means you have started with the hash symbol only, no need to end. Suppose you are using the multi-line means you have started with the hash along with the end with the second line also the hash symbol. So the multi-line commands should be enclosed within the set of what is the simple hash symbol. Next is the indentation. Python uses white spaces. So no space. The space and tabs to define the program blocks. Whereas other language you know that open the main program you want to enter mean you have used the curly bracket open and close. But here you are using the white spaces only. With the space only, no need to use the curly brackets. So it's indicate the blocks of the code for the classes. Functions or body of the loops and blocks of the section will be command only. In between the commands only we are using the block. So the number of the white spaces or tabs, the indication is not fixed, but all the statement within the blocks must be indented with the same amount of the spaces. We are writing the data and codings means same amount of the spaces we are allocated of the each of the coding. Next is the tokens. Already we are studying the C++ tokens. Okay, one small unit of the keywords is called tokens. Python break each logical line into the sequence of the elementary. So lexical commands is known as tokens. What is the another name? Lexical commands is called the tokens. The normal token they are called what is the name? Identifier, keywords, operator, delimiters and literal. So identifier, keywords, operator, delimiters and literal. Delimiters we are didn't use in the C++, but here we are using the delimiters and again the white space, the separation the necessary between the tokens, identifier or keywords. You want to white space why you are using, you want to separate the identifiers, keyword and token. Then time you are using the white space separation. So identifier is the name used to identify the variable, function, class and module or object. Where you identify the variable, function, class, module or object. One identifier must start with the alphabet. So this is another A to Z and small a to Z. So under you are using the underscore. Identifier may contain what is the digit means 0 to 9. The Python identifier are case sensitive and upper and lower case letters are dismissed. Both the letters we can use. Identifier must not be in the Python keyword. They won't allow it in the keyword. Python does not allow any punctuation characters. What is the characters? Means percentage, dollar, at etc. within the identifier. So this is the they not allowed. This is the punctuation character in the Python codings. For example, what is the valid identifier means sum, total, underscore, marks, register number and number 1. Here using first is a sum, SUM. All the identifier must started with the alphabets. So here another you have using both uppercase and lowercase letter. Some invalid identifiers means 12 name. So first letter started with the 12 is the number. So this is the wrong, invalid. And next is the name dollar. They won't allow to the punctuation symbol of dollar. Next is the total hyphen mark. They allowed only underscore, not allowed in the hyphen. Next is the continue. This is the keyword of that. That's keyword also not allowed in the identifiers. So this all will be invalid identifiers. Next is the keywords. Keywords are special words used by the Python interpreter to recognize the structure of the program. Already we are studying the C+ also some of the keywords. You know that void, main, that's it. As these words have specific meaning for the interpreter, they cannot be used in the other purpose. Only they will be using in between of the in your program. They have tell the specific meaning for in your program. They won't use the other purpose. So this is the some of the keywords. This is the false, class, finally, is, return, none, continue, for, lambda, try, true, def, from non-local while and delete global not with as if or eld assert else import pause break expert in race. So next is the operators in computer programming language. Operator is the special simple which is represent is the computation, conditional matching, etc. The value of operator is called, what is the operator we are used, that is the name is called operands. Operators are categorized as the arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, etc. Value and variable when used in the operator on both the value and variable. A plus B. A and B is the variable and plus is the operators. This is both you are called. This is a value. This both is called the operand. Arithmetic operators. An arithmetic operator is the mathematical operator that takes two operand and perform the calculation on them. They are used for the simple arithmetic. Most computer language contain the set of the such operator that can be used within the equation to perform different type of the sequential operator. Already you know the arithmetic means plus, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division. They can add a modular, an exponent and floor division also here added. So arithmetic here they giving the value of a equal to 100, b equal to 10. About the following expression, addition mean a plus b, they have both you added mean you get the value of 110. And next subtraction, a minus b mean you get the value of 90. And multiply, both the value multiply mean you are getting in the 1000. And a slash b, okay, what 1000 divided 10 means you get the values of 10.0. And next is the modular. This is a remainder only you have get the value a divided 30. 100 means you have, what is the value is 100 modular 30 how you take this, sorry. So you have the 100 have divided 30. So how many times? The 3 times 90. You get the remainder value is the 10. So what is the remainder part will come? That's the value is the modular. And next is the exponent a dot dot 2. So you have another 100. We are another multiply with the 2 times. You get the value of 10,000. And next is the floor division. How you are getting that mean? Floor division is 100 divided the same format divided 30. So 3 so 90. So remainder is the 10. So again you want to multiply this, you are take that again another add a 0 means you are decimal, you have here is the 390 and remain. This is again going on. Thus you will take the only the integer part. This is after the decimal part they neglected, they will take only the integer part. This is the floor division. Understood, student?